Hello, and welcome to AP English Literature and Composition at Seminole Virtual School. I'm Dr. Shiner, your teacher for this course. Please watch this entire video to make sure you know where to find things and how to be successful in this course. The most important thing for being successful in any virtual course is following the pace chart. You can find your pace chart by clicking here on Course Pace Charts. I also post each week's pace on the first slide below the welcome information. When you see the contact information here, you can find my name. I'm Dr. Cicely Shiner, pronouns she, her. Here's my phone number and my email address. You need to click here to complete the student agreement if you have not already done so. If you would like to make an appointment for a DBA, you would click this button, Make an Appointment with Your Teacher. This one takes you to my Zoom classroom, and this button takes you to the student help site. Other features you will find in this course are, of course, the pace for the week that you're in. The next slide will have a list of people who were on pace for the week. There's module-specific help for each of the assignments. You can find exam review, book list, a link here to the multiple choice assignments on AP Central, FAQs, the new student welcome packet, and information about your research paper here. I do host a DBA drive-through on Thursdays at 4. This is the only time you can sign up without 24-hour notice, so keep that in mind. If you've forgotten to sign up for a DBA, you can always come to the drive-through on Thursday. There is a link here for help with writing and formatting things in MLA style, and more information about your research paper and a link to the Zoom room. As you scroll down, you'll find your pace charts linked here, a link to my websites, course policies and procedures, another link to the student help site. It is very handy, so I do put it a lot of places. You can link here to your reading list of all of the books, and there are many that you need to read for this course. And then the join code for AP Central. This is an important assignment for you to complete, so please make sure that you do sign up on AP Central. If you click here, you'll find the directions, and this is the code you will need to use. It is also very important that you turn in work from your pace chart in order and without skipping any assignments. So you'll see on the pace chart here, it'll tell you which lessons you need to complete and which novels you should be reading for that week. You can go ahead and write the due date in here, but make sure you're turning the work in order and you're not skipping any assignments, including DBAs. You'll notice a reminder when you need to make an appointment for your DBA. So you'll see there's one in week 4. For grace period, you will need to complete all the assignments in up through week 4. So you have to be on pace according to the pace chart to stay in the course. Please make sure that you are turning in all your own work, that all of your work is unique. All of your assignments go through turnitin.com, and you will see a score that goes along with that. So one of the ways you can check that, if you click on policies and procedures, this will bring you to a slideshow that you can go through, and I do hope that you go through this. But what I wanted to point out to you here was this is what we see when you turn in work. So we'll see a score there, and then it highlights that information. So make sure that your work is unique so that it is not getting an academic integrity violation. It's important that we speak each month. Please call me for any passwords that you need. So when you click on assessments, and you'll see that there are certain assignments that are exams. These we're going to have passwords on them, and you will need to call me to get those passwords. That is one of the ways we're going to get our monthly contact. And parents, please respond to any emails or text messages I send for our required monthly contact. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to working with you, and I am excited to get started this year. Thanks.